Now one thing I gotta do is I gotta make sure when I go back into the settings is I gotta make sure regen is not enabled in any form. That way it won't rock back and forth. Should be fine. But we'll see. We'll have to take it on the street, obviously. And I will let you know if it flies off or comes loose. Take it easy, guys.